Let's make this sweet and sour tamarind sauce with some dates and sugar. Take 100 grams of tamarind. This will be around 1 cup. Pour 1 cup of hot water. Let it soak for 15 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, take 1 teaspoon of cumin. Roast the cumin on low heat until light golden and fragrant. Roast 1 teaspoon of whole coriander seeds. Take it out when light golden. Grind the seeds the way you like. Set aside. Take 1 cup of dates. Chop the dates in small pieces. Now it's 20 minutes our tamarind is soaked enough. Strain it very well. During the process, use 1 cup of water to completely extract the juice. Now, we will do the final step. Add chopped dates to the tamarind, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Add roasted spice mix, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix all the ingredients and cook on medium heat until reaches required thickness. It will take around 20 minutes. When it becomes thick, soup-like consistency will be perfect for this recipe. When it looks like this, switch off the flame. Now add 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds. Transfer it to the serving bowl. This sweet and spicy chutney is perfectly paired with any of your favorite snack. You can refrigerate it for 2 weeks or freeze it for 2 months. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.